Welcome back to the channel. Glad to have you here. In today's video, I'm going to be diving into the top 5 profitable Amazon KDP keywords for dyslexia. Now, this is a part 6. If you would like to watch all of the parts that I have shared on the channel, the playlist will be linked in the description box below the video, in the video description. So if you haven't yet subscribed to the channel and you're looking for a daily updated list of Amazon KDP keywords as well as tips and strategies to make passive income online, go ahead and subscribe to the channel and click on the bell icon in order to be informed on all our new daily videos. Let's head and talk about the first keyword out of the 5 that we're going to discuss in today's video. And our first keyword is dyslexic reading tools for adults. Now, this is an amazing keyword to include in your subtitle or in your 7 keyword slots for a book or a workbook that you write or a storybook that you write on dyslexia. Now, in the previous 6 parts, I did share with you a combination of medium and high content keywords that you could utilize for dyslexia, for children, for seniors, for adults, for women, men, that kind of thing as well. I've also included and shared with you some storybook related keywords with a massive potential and great keyword niche scores and great analytics that you could utilize. So if I were you, I would use this wonderful keyword as part of the 7 keyword slots for anything dyslexia related, whether that's a workbook, activity book, or a short storybook. So let's break down the results. First of all, we have 87 for the keyword niche score given by self-publishing Titans Chrome extension. They've managed to give us an 87 strong and high. Also, we have the total results currently sitting under 1,000 and they're sitting at 261. The average bestseller rank is sitting at an average of 100,111. Also, it is under 300,000, so that also ticks the box. Average reviews of 535 and average price is a massive 28.09 cents. So scrolling down here, be mindful that not all the results are going to be books. They're going to be a combination of books, such as this one, for example. There are going to be other tools such as the reading pen for dyslexia. So this is a wonderful open keyword that you could utilize for the 7 keyword slots in order to get your book ranking as well. We've got a lot of books here that are having a beautiful bestseller rank, specifically when it comes to the independently published books on the first page. Now, with that being said, let's dive into the second keyword for the day. And our second keyword is dyslexic reading tools for students. This is another detailed keyword that is beautiful as a keyword to utilize for the 7 keyword slots for anything dyslexia related targeted for students. First, we have a total results of 467 under 1,000. We have an average bestseller rank sitting at an average of 74,215, which is under 300,000. Average reviews of 522. Average price is $21.32. And we have a strong keyword niche score of number 6 by Amazon Scout Pro Chrome extension, categorizing this keyword as a nice niche. Then again, beautiful keyword to include for the 7 keyword slots. And I get asked a lot about the 7 keyword slots and what kind of keywords to include in there. How do we find them? This is a great indication of a keyword to use because it's not specific. It's not like something that would be suitable for a title or a subtitle in this case, because it does fit all the metrics in terms of profitability, total results under 1,000, average bestseller rank under 300,000, and we have a backup keyword niche score that clarifies the potential and opportunity in this keyword. However, it's very general, so it's best to be used for the 7 keyword slots in this case. So let's dive into the third keyword for the day. And our third keyword for the day is dyslexic reading tools for kids. Then again, beautiful to be used for the subtitle or for the 7 keyword slots because it's very general. It covers a lot of different things as well. First off, we have a strong and solid keyword niche score of 88, which is actually one of the highest that I've seen so far. The total results for that is 268 under 1,000. The average bestseller rank is under 300,000 and it is averaging at a low 57,121. The average reviews are a whooping 1,452. Average price is $23.08. And we have a clarification by Amazon Scout Pro Chrome extension right here below, giving us a keyword niche score of number 8, which is the number below the highest number. So number 9 is the highest. I'm pretty happy with number 8, and it beautifully complements the data that we have right here. We can just use this as a backup as well. Scrolling down, avoiding the sponsored post, we do have a couple of really good books that are ranking quite well under this keyword. Now, you do want to pay attention to the books only by independent publishers, and don't pay attention to any of these other tools as well. So let's dive in and have a look at our 4th keyword for the day. And our 4th keyword is spelling workbook for kids with dyslexia. Beautiful keyword, ideal for the title or the subtitle. So we have a strong keyword niche score of 72, strong and solid, green, ready to go, by self-publishing Titus Chrome extension. Also, the total results are sitting below 1,000 and they're sitting at 530. The average bestseller rank is within the acceptable range of 300,000, my apologies, to 400,000, and it is averaging 417,769. Average reviews is 709. Average price is $10.17. We're going to go ahead and we're going to ignore the number 4 given by Amazon's Cut Pro because it contradicts the data that we have right over here that fits all the metrics in terms of Titan's keyword niche score, the results, bestseller rank, and so forth. Also, scrolling down here, we're going to ignore the sponsored post. We're going to focus on getting a minimum of 3 books on the first page with a bestseller rank of 100,000 or less. This one, for example, it's not sponsored and it has a bestseller rank of 57,000. It is below 100,000. This one is within that 100,000, so it's 153,000. This one is high. This one is 150. We've got also a couple of other books as well with a really good bestseller rank, 197. But these ones are the bear in mind that they're not utilizing the exact same keyword as this one, spelling workbook for kids with dyslexia, yet they have this listed for their 7 keyword slots, and that's why they're able to they're able to show on the first page of the keyword because they've utilized it for the 7 keyword slots. This one here is under 100,000, so it's sitting at 72,000. We've got 9,500, 2,000 as well. So we have more than 3 books under 100,000 for the bestseller on the first page, and this is also a great indication and an extra check that we can make. So let's dive into the 5th and final keyword for today's video, and our final keyword is adult dyslexia workbook. Amazing keyword to utilize for the title or the subtitle. Amazing because it has a strong keyword niche score of 79 by Amazon, by self-publishing Titan's Chrome extension. Green, light, ready to go. Total results 522, below 1,000. Average bestseller rank below 300,000 and is sitting at 231,284. Average reviews are 994. Average price is $14.91. Scrolling down, we have a couple of really good books that are selling quite well with a strong bestseller rank. This one here is 142,000, 4,700, 14,000. So just right there, 3 books under 100,000. We've got 72,000. We've got also 1,700. Scrolling down, we have 134, 149, 1,645. Utilized these wonderful 5 keywords in the creation of dyslexia related books, and I wish you all the best. You can get lovely interiors available at Creative Fabrica for dyslexia, and then you would be able to rank quite well. Let me know if you need any help. Let me know if you are looking for any specific keywords so I can do the research together with you and help you out. I'll see you in the next video. Take care. Have an amazing day.